What's up everyone, my name is Cincotta, Canon Explorer of Light and YouTube content creator. Today I want to share with you why we chose the Canon EOS R50 V as our podcasting and content creation platform. First up, let's get to the basics. Stills and video. From a stills perspective, we're producing 24 megapixel images, perfect for whatever you're needing to create, and by the way, perfect travel camera. Video, 4K 60, right? You're gonna be able to film in slow motion, you're gonna be able to film full HD up to 120 frames per second. So this is a powerhouse just from the basics. And personally, one of my favorite little features that's been added, a vertical camera mount. Now, when you're recording for whatever platform you're using, along with the articulating screen, you can now be in vertical mode, broadcasting to your favorite platforms. And proof that Canon actually listens when we ask for new features, a front record button so we don't have to reach around awkwardly, and an LED red light to signal we are actually live recording. These are incredible features, but as podcasters, check this out. From a real world perspective, we're using this on our podcast set so that we can record both vertical and horizontal video at the same time so that we can deliver our podcast to multiple platforms. This is the new age of content creation.